We got this metal plate about a year, actually a little over a year ago, and it is still doing so well. I mean, it looks brand new steel. Now, as I mentioned, it does have like a metal material and a gold finish, and the border has this crinkled design. It almost reminds me of like a leaf, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So I love the size. It is big enough to fit all of my 6 decorative balls, and it's not so much like a bowl to the point that you cannot see the balls. It's more like an open plate with these edges that look like this, and it keeps my decorative balls perfectly in place in the middle. So I love this plate so much. It does exactly the job that I needed to do, is exactly what I ordered. And I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.